Kaylin Hewitt, the lead floral designer at the Bouqs company, and today we are talking about all things sunflowers. A couple of fun facts about sunflowers before we get started. Sunflowers actually, when they're growing, grow towards the sun. This is a term called heliotropic. So as they're growing, they'll turn and face the sun, which I thought was pretty cool. Another fun fact about sunflowers are that their natural pollinators are bees. Save the bees. So sunflowers do have a natural fuzz on their stem. I wanted to address this with you guys because it is completely natural and it's just something that's unique to the flower. Sunflowers will arrive in bud form. So see this little guy right here? He's still a bud, but it will bloom in the vase after you water it. This one you can see is just a little bit more open, and then even the ones in our arrangement are a little bit more open. So you can kind of see how they'll open throughout the length of your vase life. You know, they are very, very thirsty flowers, so there is the chance that it could arrive a little dehydrated in your Bouqs box, but don't worry, fresh, cool water will perk them right up. And then a styling tip for you guys about sunflowers. They will typically be the biggest bloom in your arrangement, so I like to add them at the very end so that they don't smother the rest of the flowers. So you'll just give them a 45-degree angle cut, and then add them in. And that will bloom to be a really pretty addition to our arrangement. Thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you learned a little bit more about sunflowers and how to take care of them. Happy designing! I can't wait to see what you guys create.